Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a promo code on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in nike.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nike website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, if you wish to use a promo code in order to purchase any item, then first of all, go ahead and locate the item that you wish to buy. After you find this item that you want to buy, just choose the size and specifications of the product, and then you can click on the add to bag option. Once you add these items to your bag, you can proceed forward with checking out. And now within the checkout page, you will need to fill up your delivery information as well as your contact information if you don't already have this set up within your account. So type in your name as well as your address and all of the relevant information, and you may also be asked to upload a few of your documents. Now underneath the shipping information, you will see the promo code box where you can enter a promo code or any kind of coupon or discount codes. So just type in your code within the given box and finally enter all of the other information that is required. And once you click on the place order button to finalize your payment, the promo code will be applied onto your purchase right away, and you will now be delivered the item with the added promo code discount on the mentioned date. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a promo code on your Nike account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.